What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a DJ Taj Jersey Club track on Ableton Live 11. Now before we start, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. I have this track by G Making and Nacho Fuji called Freebie Part 1, and I'm gonna play you it.
I got money, right? You know I do. But see the way my bank account's set up, yeah. I gotta put my check-ins to my savings, and my savings to my check-ins, you know. That stuff, you know. I don't know why you can't just give me a free beat. 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 Free beat. Give me a free beat. Give me a free beat. Give me a free beat.
So the first thing we want to do is EQ it. So I'm gonna go to the audio effects, get the EQ 8. And we want a low cut.
I got money, right? You know I do. But see the way my bank account's set up, yeah. I gotta put my check-ins to my savings, and my savings to my check-ins, you know. That stuff, you know. I don't know why you can't just give me a.
So I wanna chop up this sound right here. Bring that down. So I wanna take this part right here, that when he says freebie.
Freebie, hit me.
And I want to take the EQs and I'll put it in the second channel.
Freebie. Freebie.
And now we're just gonna start fading and chopping. And now we got some simple chops and we'll play that one more time. And that's just by chopping on the free beat and chopping every time he says beat. Very simple. We do some in between chops. See what that sounds like. Now we got the minor chops. We gotta find some of the instrumentals. So I recreated the melody right here, as you can see, and I matched it up with the original, song. I'll just play them together so you can see. But now I'm gonna delete the song part and I'll bring back the chops. But we're gonna layer it, so we're gonna duplicate this. Go back to sampler, choose no sound. Let's go to beat and pipes. Now I'm gonna make a copy right here. And then I'm gonna just do some simple chop. So I structured the track and I added some other elements to it, and I will show you what I did. So I had the original. So I structured the track and I added some other elements into it. I'll play what I did.
I got money, right? You know I do. But see the way my bank account's set up, yeah. I gotta put my check-ins to my savings, and my savings to my check-ins, you know. That stuff, you know. I don't know why you can't just give me a free beat.
over here, I did the minor chops, and it sounds like this. And over here, we have another chop. Over here, we have the in-between chops. And then these sounds right here are just like the melody remade and chopped up a little bit. So right here, we just have a key. And they're panned a little bit. And over here, we have the reed. And over here, we have the synth. We have the 808. We have the digital coin. We have the pews. We have the kicks. We have the layer. And then we have another layer over here. And then we have the whip. Then we have the chopped up A's. We have the bongos down here. And that's the entire track. I'll play one more time and that's it for today's video.
I got money, right? You know I do. But see the way my bank account's set up, yeah. I gotta put my check-ins to my savings, my savings to my check-ins, you know, that stuff, you know. I don't know why you can't just give me a free.
And I'll leave the project files for the track in the comment section below. And you can download the Jersey Club Essential Drum Kit, the Naptime Drum Kit, and the Casio One-Shot Kit. And they all will be in the links in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Comment below what you want to see next.